Today let me show you how I can make melodies from scratch fast without too much effort. I call it DJ Khaled method. Basically you take one melody from Splice, another melody from co-producer, third let's say is your own melody, change the tempo, change the rhythm, combine them all, basically flip them, combine them all, and you got your own sample. You can send the sample to the other people. Not much effort, feel me? DJ Khaled method.
I wanted to go that's producing. That's putting a masterpiece together. Producing changed. They made Logic. They made Fruity Loops. It's called Too Easy.
Now shout out to DJ Khaled. So let's use this royalty-free melody as a starter. It's kind of fast and I really like the chord progressions, but I really see the potential. Right now it's like 190. So let's slow it down like 160-ish, like. Yeah. Now let me chop it, like change the chord progressions. I really like this first part, so let me duplicate it. And I'm gonna save this part. I'm gonna save it here. Yeah, so this is the chord, basically the same shit, but with some, you know, with some textures. I really like this filter in the end. This part better. Basically the same notes, same chords, but without the filter. It's really influence method to flip samples. 3-1, 3 times repeat itself, and 4th time kind of resolves to another chord. Then I found this section in one of my old beats, so I'm gonna use it too. This is how they sound together. So let's use co-producer now. You put this plugin on the master, then press this button and listen to your like rhythm of the beat. Counts the BPM basically, then you enter your key and then you basically ask for whatever you want. In this case, I feel like it needs some emotional strings to make it more cinematic. Find samples, boom, and it's gonna show you the list of cinematic strings. And what I really like about this plugin though, you can play the loop and it's gonna time sync the samples to your own project. So let me go through all of them and I'm gonna pick the one I really like. Yo. Then let's throw some perks, also from previous project.
Oh, all the drums, all the sounds y'all see our team use, y'all can find on our website that we built with the bare hands on Shopify, from with the nextScratch.com. Also, y'all can find this link in the description. Bam.
Now let's throw the snare. And now let's go to the best part. I'm gonna go simple, like this, basically like this. Yeah. Also, while arranging the beat, I added this like ay. Now let's add the stomp to make the hit even harder. So beat is done. So let's listen to the whole thing.
Yo, but before that, join our Discord as well as Telegram channels. There you're gonna get 1 billion placements on the Discord and another billion placements on the Telegram. All the links gonna be in the description. Bam.
I pitched it down.